Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Missy and welcome to Bark and Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, you guys welcome back. Today is a big day because we hit 100 subscribers today and I am so excited. When I started this channel, I never thought I'd have 100 subscribers. I was excited when I had a subscriber that wasn't one of my family members. So to be at 100 in 2 months is just incredible for me, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and I want each and every one of you to know that you mean something to me and that the connection we are building on here means the world to me. It means the world to me because you guys have truly filled a void in me that was completely empty, and I was, as you know, I was so lonely, and I feel like I have friends and a community and people I can talk to, and there are so many of you that I talk to and interact with on social media, whether Instagram or here on YouTube, and then there's some of you that I actually DM and we talk and we're personal and we know each other, and you guys know who you are, and I love all of you and thank you for being here. Next thing I was going to say is today we are going to do the third and final Walmart's favorite installment. I've tried to record this a couple times and have failed because my camera was doing some horrible things, but it's fixed now, so we should be fine. We should be able to get through this, and let's do it. So let's just hop right into it. Let's start with, we're going to do Walmart favorites everything skin. Oh, this side, everything skin. And then we're also going to do Walmart's favorites glow like a pro. So I think we'll start with the skin because that's what you start with in your routine. So this is Walmart's favorites, the everything skin kit, and it's valued at, what is it again? $53, which here's what it looks like inside. I know for a fact a few of these things are super expensive. Well, not super expensive, but they're rather expensive because I have purchased them. So I do think this is worth it. Maybe not 53, but probably pretty close. Let's see. I thought I heard the baby crying. Oh, I do. Hold on. Okay, we're back. All the kids are down for a pretty late nap, and while they're down, I was like, oh, I'm going to film really quick. So also to let you know, everything is listed on the back, the sizes, and exactly what it is. So if I'm looking over here, that is why I'm trying to get familiar with the product. So let's start with, this is something I do own, so I do know that it is $12.99 at Walgreens. So this is the Physicians Formula Mini Rosé All Day Oil Free Serum. I'm not going to open it because, like I said, this is what it looks like, and it is 0.37 ounces. The things that I am not going to keep because I either already own them or I will not use them will go to a future giveaway. And now that we're at 100 subscribers, I believe we're going to have a giveaway really soon. So, even though I just shipped out the other day the other giveaway, but Sharice knows what's up. So, next we have, so that's $12.99 at Walgreens. So that's already, we're already into a big dent into the $53 value. This is the Clean and Clear Lemon Scrub, and it is is that 1 ounce? Yeah, 1 ounce. So this is just gently massage over damp face and void eyes, rinse face well. Let's see, let's smell it. And everything here you can get in travel size, I'm pretty sure, because they do X out the back of each thing, so you can't return it. So I'm pretty sure these are all things that you could pick up in like the travel size section. This is, next is the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizing Coconut Oil. Let's see, okay. And this is after showering but before drying off, apply to wet skin, a dime size amount, and dry and go. These are one of the, I'm not going to open this either. I do want to smell if it's open. Let's see. Ooh, it smells good. But I don't like these things because I don't like to air dry. And most of the time, you can pat dry with this, but I don't like to pat dry. I don't like feeling sticky. So that's not something I'm really into. This is something I am very into. Olay Regenerist Whips. This is smooth evenly over your entire cleanse face and neck morning and night, as with facial skincare products. Avoid getting into your eyes. And this is half an ounce. So this is also at Walgreens, and it's either $12.99 or $15.99 for the small one. It's expensive. And so for this size as well, the bigger size is like $27.99. So I also know, oh, Walmart sells this too for $12.99 actually. So Walgreens is probably more expensive. So I'm excited for this because I've been really wanting to try it, but you guys know I'm cheap. So spending $12.99 on something this size is never gonna happen. Especially because I've been getting great skincare products in my monthly subscriptions. So it's really hard then for me to as well after that kind of stuff. I've never heard of this brand before. This is Sky Organics Rose Water Facial Mist Hydrating Toner. This is just when you feel like you're feeling icky and sticky and sweaty, you just spray on your face and it freshens you right up. It says, close your eyes and spray directly to face to hydrate and refresh the skin. Spray on a cotton pad for cleansing and makeup remover. Oh, so you can use it. Okay, that's cool. You can use it as a makeup remover as well. This I am super excited about, and I saw one of our friends doing this mask on her channel, so I'm super excited about. This is the E.L.F. Hydrating Bubble Mask. Apply a thin layer and slightly damp skin. Allow mask to sit on the skin for 5 to 10 minutes and allow the bubbles to begin. I use the E.L.F. hydrating line for the face wash, the eye cream, and the moisturizing facial cream, and I love this line, so I'm sure I'll love this and I'll be able to give it a try. Next are the micellar waters. I love micellar water facial cleansers. So they have the waterproof makeup remover, which is this one, so you can see the oil separating, and then the micellar water original. Yeah, this is the original, and this is the one I like. They have a really nice gel face wash, and these you can this one you shake well to remove eye makeup, and then this one you shake well to remove, this one's for waterproof makeup clearly. These are awesome, you guys. I love micellar water, so these will get a lot of use. The next one is the Neutrogena makeup removing wipes. I just realized I'm out of makeup removing wipes, and I can use these now that I'm doing this video, so I'm super excited. So I needed these. This is just a travel size, and it comes with 7 in it. We all know we know what that's for. Where's the next thing? What is this one? Is that? This is a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. Applied daily to dry skin as needed. This is for body and face. Cetaphil is a great product for somebody who has really dry, sensitive skin. Or if you have like eczema, it's a great product for people with eczema, because my older kids do have eczema, so I knew that. The next one is the CeraVe moisturizing lotions, applied daily to dry skin as needed. I don't know if this is the skin one, just the facial one, because I got one of these and when you guys watched the Ulta haul, the how to get high makeup at a bargain price, and I got one of those as a freebie with it, and mine said specifically for face only, and that one does not, so I don't know. What's our next one? Okay, this is the Found, I've never heard of this either, the Found Fruit, which is this. Oh, it's okay. This says, after cleansing skin, wipe pad across face, neck, and chest. Once, oh, okay. Peel pads gently exfoliates to even skin tone and reduce the look of pores. Oh, that's exciting. There's 2 in there, so you can only use it once though, because it's not a resealable bag. But I've never heard of that, so I'm excited to give that a try. Is anybody else, when they get these, like, do you put it back and make sure it's like stuck perfectly because you're OCD like that, or is that just me? Because I want it to look pretty still. I like to store stuff like that. I'm kind of like OCD like that. I don't know. Leave a comment down below if you're the same way. So next I'll slide that in next. We're going to go into the Walmart favorites, Glow Like a Pro. It is a $36 value, and when you open it up, it looks kind of like that. I put it in upside down, like I said. I have tried to do this video several times before, and this one I'm more excited about than the skin, because there's some stuff in here I've been dying to try, and now I get to without paying full price, because we know how much I hate paying full price. So the first we have is this is a full-size product, you guys. I actually own this. This is the E.L.F. Poreless Face Primer. you know how to apply it. This will go into a giveaway as well. I personally, because I have both, I think this is a dupe for the Touch and Soul No Problemo. Problemo. I don't know. You know the one we got in the Boxy Charm, the Touch and Soul No Problem primer. I can't say it. I'm so sorry, but I can't say it. I think the E.L.F. is a dupe for it, and I don't notice the difference. I think they work both exactly the same. They kind of seem more like a moisturizing than a pore filling, but that's just my own opinion. This is a Maybelline Face Studio Master Primer, and this is a Hydrate and Smooth Primer, and for a luminous effect. And this is half a fluid ounce, and I do have the pore filling kind, and I do like it. So next we have the matte setting spray, the Hard Candy matte setting spray. These are the sizes you can get at Christmas time for $1, so I'm gonna call BS on their $36 value. Sorry about that. But I bought, these are the first, these were great. These are the first ever primer sprays I had ever used. I picked them up at Walmart. They're $6, but I found them on 3 because I'm special. I don't know. And I really like them. I think they're great. So if you have, or if you're not like really familiar with primer, this is the way to go. This is a great starter primer. Probably once you get into primers and knowing how they work and what you like best out of a primer, you can probably step away from these. I still use it daily. Not daily, but throughout, you know, every here and there, I still use it. It is still in my regular makeup routine, so it's not like it's bad. It's just I have a few others I do like more. So next is the Hard Candy Body Illuminizer. Pump a few drops. Can you see that, you guys? It's so bright. Sorry. Pump a few drops. And how they did it, the gold on gold. Pump a few drops on fingertips, tip palm of hand sponge, or beauty blender. Now I'm excited because this will be really, ooh, look at how dark that is, guys. This will be really, really, really great during summertime. Let's see how much it rubs in. Just to give you that little, it's really oily, but if you're laying out in the sun or gonna be out at the beach, oh, it rubs in nice though. But doesn't have a scent either, so it really doesn't. Maybe, oh, it's all over my hand. Do we have any more makeup? I don't want to open my good ones, so let's see if we have, we do. We have a couple Dollar Tree ones. I don't like these because they just tear apart when you start using them. So these aren't my favorite, but let's take that off because we do have some other things we got to go through. So next, this is something I've been dying to use, so I'm super excited about it. I've been dying to try this, and now I get to. This is the Milani Rose Powder Blush in Romantic Rose. It's a beautiful color. I almost don't want to even swatch it. So I'm going to leave it pretty dark. That's what it looks like, but you guys can blend it out. It's a super soft, really beautiful color. I'm excited to use this. I don't have a color like this, so this is awesome for me to try a new color and a new product that I've never tried. It's super soft without being powdery. It feels really good. Next is the this is the Milani. Okay, this is the Milani Strobe Light Instant Glow Highlighter. This is what it looks like. I've been wanting to use this as well. I've heard great things about the Milani highlighter, so I'm really excited to use that. We're gonna put it on the other side. Oh, hello. Okay, Milani, I see you. Look at that guy. Oh, you know what it kind of reminds me of is the Glimmers of BS, Pretty Vulgarous Glimmer of BS one. It kind of reminds me of that. Actually, it does. This one might be even shimmerier though, so okay, Milani, I see you. I love Milani. I feel like they're like the high end when it comes to drugstore right now. I think they're killing it in the drugstore game. This is the Found Beauty. I have not heard of them. This is an illuminating makeup setting spray. So this is for when you want this shimmery, shake it up. It's going to give you that glowy look. Whereas the Hard Candy one is going to give you the mattifying look so you don't look shimmery or glowy at all. And I prefer a mattifying one because I do have an oily T-zone. So let me know, you guys, what do you guys think of this? So we did 6 of the boxes. We did not do any of the men ones, and I did not do the accessories one just because I didn't want this stuff. And there was like a molded brush, which was one of the things I did want, and then there was nail wraps, and then there was fake nails, and then there's a set of eyelashes, which I would have liked to try the eyelashes. I don't know, that's the kind of stuff that was in it. And to me, I was like, I don't need that stuff. I don't really want that stuff. And the two things I could have used in it, I could have bought them by themselves for the same price. But the motor brush looks really great. But we're getting them in BoxyCharm, so there you go. How'd you like this, you guys? What was your favorite? Did you like the, out of today, did you like the glow like a pro, or did you like the everything skin kit? And out of all of them, did you like the lips? Did you like the eyes? Did you like the hair care? Did you like the hair styling? Did you like the skincare? Did you like the glow kit? Out of all of them, what was your favorite? You guys, I love you all. I thank each and every one of you for coming, for showing up, for watching my videos, and just supporting me. It means, without getting emotional, it means the world to me. And this has helped me on a level that you guys don't even understand, and I don't think I fully even understand it, because I feel like I have friends, and I feel like every time I do this and every time you guys comment, like I'm talking to friends, like we're having a conversation, like it's me and my girlfriends talking about makeup. And so that's really great for me, because I don't have that. And also my oldest is out of the house now, and so I don't have any girl talk. I just have all these stinky boys running around. So it's nice to be able to talk like a girl and be like a girl, and not just be monster trucks and dirt and building stuff and wrestlers and shooting and Minecraft and Spider-Man, and it's never ending. So it's fun for me to get the little escape. Thank you guys all. I appreciate each and every one of you. Be keeping an eye out, you guys. You hit that notification button, because I will be having another giveaway just to say thank you, because I appreciate every single one of you. I love you guys. If you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this. Let me know what you liked about it, what you didn't like. Do you think these are a good deal? I think they are. I do. I think the $9.88 are worth it. I think these are worth $9.88. If you can get your hands on them, I highly recommend it. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.